Hello everyone, welcome to Firearm Fury. Today I wanted to go over how I make tannerite. Now I make tannerite this way because it's significantly cheaper. So first of all I get a cold pack. Now you just need to make sure it's the instant cold packs, ones that have water and chemicals. You push the bag of water, shake it around, it gets cold quick. So the main thing is you just need to make sure that the active ingredient is ammonium nitrate. There are some different types of cold packs, but you need the one with ammonium nitrate. And then you get then you need aluminum powder. Now I just got this from Amazon a while back. I actually got both of these things a while back. So this cold pack is 240 grams. I got this a while ago as there's a bunch of them expiring and they just needed to get rid of them. And it expired in 2014. It's now 2020. So we'll see if it still works good. I used these a couple years ago and they worked fine. I just haven't really done tannerite for a while. But I thought I'd give it another shot. So what I do is I get my aluminum powder, if I can open it. Okay, so here's what you do. You get your cold pack, cut it open. You will take out the water pack, and then what I do, I have a half teaspoon here, and I get one teaspoon of aluminum powder for this 240 gram cold pack. Now you need to mix it up really well. Mixed up really well in there. Now when I first got this, it took a little bit to get the mixture right. And it seems to me that if you have a different size cold pack or whatever, you put just enough aluminum powder to get everything to turn gray. So I'm just mixing everything in really well. Yeah, you just mix everything in really well so that all these ammonium nitrate, all of it just turns light gray. Make sure to get the corners real good. Everything is gray. I don't know if you can see that, if it's even gonna be helpful. But I mean, it's pretty simple. This looks great. And then I get the cold pack and I wrap it around tight. And wrap it around tight, and then tape it tight. I just used duct tape. Now in the past, I've used this stuff and it seems to work great. Just as good as tannerite. I've blown up some pretty fun things before. Now you're not supposed to travel with this stuff. I'm sure because of safety reasons. So you want to mix this at the range. Now we're at the ranch here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all ready to go, and then I'm going to walk down to the creek here. Walk down to the creek, and we'll see if these still work good, even though they expired in 2014. Now, I honestly don't think it's going to matter at all, but I've been wrong before many times, so we'll test it and make sure. So there it is, nice little bundle. I'm going to take my little friend here, and this. Okay, I've got my AR-15 and 223 and my little cold pack, and we will walk down to the creek quickly and see if this thing will work. I will have another video. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but it will be with this tannerite mixture, and we will be blowing something, well, we'll just say very messy. We'll be blowing something very messy up. So subscribe and you will get a notification when that video comes out. So here it is, just a single pack, the 240 gram pack. We'll just do it in bare dirt so we can get kind of a control test. Now I only have this one camera with me. Oh, it's my phone, so hopefully it don't blow it up. We'll set it down here a ways. Okay, I'll move back a little bit and we'll give it a shoot. Well, that seemed to work well. I'm not entirely sure where that rock went. It didn't make much of a crater, but I don't know where that rock went. Maybe we'll find it in slow-mo. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I will upload a video of the tannerite with the messy material I was talking about.